Now we're still in the same section because we want to talk about another important part of our generator expression, self.identitydatabase.values. So we're demonstrating here now the .values method, which is Python's way to retrieve all values from a dictionary while ignoring the keys. So if you only need the stored information, .values is perfect for data processing. Self.entitydatabase contains entity dictionaries with keys like entity 01, 2, etc. And .values extracts only the entity data dictionaries, ignoring the entity IDs, providing us with direct access to all entity records without their identifiers. So we've mentioned this briefly throughout the course at different times. We've got these 3 different dictionary methods. We have the .keys one we went over that would return only the entity IDs. And now we're mentioning the .values one. We've mentioned it before, but we're talking specifically about it here as it returns just the entity data. And then we went over .items previously because both the key and values are returned with .items. For the generator expression here, we only need the entity data to access interaction attempts, not the entity IDs. In this case, the values method gives us exactly what we need, the actual entity dictionaries containing that interaction data. So we're creating value-only iteration when keys aren't needed. You're processing data content rather than organization. .values provides direct access to the information without the overhead of handling the keys. And when that's all you need, this makes your generator expressions cleaner and more focused on the actual data rather than the storage organization. Separation of concern is going on here.